The money that was given to counties, Mr. Speaker, was channeled to what? Recurrent expenditure, Mr. Speaker. We gave Nyamira 371 million, Mr. Speaker. Shockingly, the budget in the governor's office has increased to a whopping 400 million, Mr. Speaker. What a shame, Mr. Speaker. And that money was intended, Mr. Speaker, to build our health facilities. Our hospital called Nyamwetreko Eye Hospital in West Mugirango has remained stalled, whereas I had hope and expectation as the Senator of Nyamira, Mr. Speaker, that the moment I gave my governor an additional affirmative money, 371, he was going to do something that the people of Nyamira will remember that this was an effort of their senator, yours truly here, Mr. Speaker. I don't know what we shall do, Mr. Speaker, to preach to our governors that they need to put first and foremost service delivery, Mr. Speaker.